after many days of searching, hundreds of hours of house tours, and many declined offers later, we finally got our offer accepted on a house. After a 15-day close, we now have the keys to our brand new house.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I literally can't believe that I'm making this video, but as you can tell from the title, I bought a freaking house. Honestly, the timing of this is just insane because I just uploaded a video saying that I moved to my new place. It's been less than 2 weeks and now I'm 2 days away from being a homeowner. Now, before I get ahead of myself, I do just want to say that this is actually an investment for us. Me and Avery have been looking for a property that we're gonna actually flip and then sell, so we won't ever actually be living in this house, but we're gonna be spending a lot of our time renovating this place, making it look super nice, new, and modern, and hopefully have it on the market between March or April, so around 6 months. Now, this might come to kind of a surprise for some of you guys because I didn't really talk much about like getting a house or even like currently searching for houses, but behind the scenes, me and Avery have been putting offers in on houses for months. This is like the 7th or 8th offer that we've put in on, but I didn't want to jump the gun and say anything before we got a house, and because all of our offers were getting declined, there was really not much to say. From our position, it's been kind of hard getting an offer to get accepted because since we're looking at like investment properties or houses to flip, it's been kind of hard to actually get our offer accepted because all the houses that we were looking at all needed renovations. So everyone that was looking at these houses were investors, and most of these investors were able to make cash offers, which was something that me and Avery did not have the capital to do. But we got really lucky with this house because our realtor actually found it off market, which means that we were not competing with any other offers, and the seller wanted a quick close, so we've got 2 more days until we officially sign the papers and like get the keys in hand. I will tell you, this has literally been the longest 2 weeks of my entire life. I think the only thing that has been keeping me from going insane is the fact that I just moved to this new place and I'm settling in here, and it's just, I don't know if you feel the same way, but like when I first move into a new place, it just feels so exciting and so fun that like I've got a lot of things that I can keep my mind busy with. I don't know what I would have done if it was like a 60-day close. I'm going crazy. I am so dang excited. I'm literally counting down the days, counting down the hours, counting down the minutes. I cannot wait to get keys in hand. Because this house was off market, I don't have any pictures to show you guys, but I am going to make a house tour video as soon, like the day that I get the keys. By the time that this video is uploaded, you guys will have a house tour about a week later, and I'm really excited to show you guys. Not only am I going to be documenting this for you guys to watch, but I also want to document this for myself too, because this is the start of something big, and I've been wanting to get into house flipping since I started furniture flipping. I just never had the capital to be able to do so, but finally I am able to, and I'm so grateful. I do want to say that I didn't go in on this house alone. Me and Avery went in on this house with his brother Nate, and that is the reason that we are making this possible. You guys are probably gonna see him and Avery throughout some of the house renovation episodes, which also kind of brings me to where is that going to take my channel? And I've been wanting to do house flipping for a long time. As of right now, my channel has basically been all about furniture flipping, which I don't want you guys who watch only the furniture flips to get really sad, because the furniture flips aren't gonna go away. For now, the plan is still to be uploading a different furniture flipping video every single week, but in addition to that, I'm also going to be adding in house flipping videos, so it's gonna be a little bit of both. I am gonna be making a whole series on the before, the process, the renovations, and the after of this house, and I think it's gonna be really good content and really fun to watch. I myself am super excited to be creating this content and just going through the process of flipping this house, and I really hope that you guys are too. Personally, I love watching furniture flipping videos, but I also really love watching house flipping videos, so yeah. I am just so excited, and the very next video that you guys are going to see on this channel is a house tour. So make sure if you guys aren't already to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss these episodes. It's going to be so much fun, and I can't wait for you guys to see the house. The best part about it is most of this house is just needing cosmetic upgrades, which is perfect for a beginner house flipper like me. That's all that I got for you guys for today. I would also definitely get your push notifications turned on so that you guys are notified when I upload. Anyways, you guys get pumped, get excited, because I will see you guys in the next video for a house tour.